Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a science reading book. Rabbi Zidni Ilma, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Open the page number 2. Today we are going to read unit number 1 and the chapter name is The Human Body. Let's start our reading. When you look in a mirror, you see your body. Underline the word mirror. Mirror means शीशा या आईना. जब आप अपने आप को शीशे में देखते हैं तो आपको अपनी बॉडी या अपना जिस्म नज़र आता है. Your body is made up of many parts. Underline the word body. Body means jism. Underline the word part. It means हिस्से. आपका जिस्म बहुत सारे हिस्सों से मिलकर बना हुआ है. Each part of your body has a name. जिस्म के हर हिस्से का एक नाम है. Look at this picture below. This is ear. This is nose. This is mouth. This is chest. This part is chest. This is stomach. This is thumb. This part is knee. And this part is toe. On this side, this is eye. This is cheek. This is chin. And the whole part from this point to this point is called arm. And this is finger. This is the front side of the body. Now look at the back side of the body. This is hair. This is neck. This is shoulder. This is elbow. This part is, the whole part is back. The whole part is hand. And the part from this to this is called leg. This is foot. This is front side of the body. And this is the back side of the body. We have different parts and each part has a name. On next page, each part has a job to do. जिस्म के हर हिस्से का कोई ना कोई काम होता है. Look at this picture. What is she doing? She is eating an ice cream. So, which part of the body we use to eat and speak? We use our mouth to eat and speak. हम खाने के लिए और बोलने के लिए अपने जिस्म का कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट यूज़ करते हैं? तो हम खाने और बोलने के लिए अपने माउथ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। व्हाट इज़ ही डूइंग? He is painting something and he is using his hand. Now tell me students, which body part you use to hold things? We use hands to hold things. चीज़ों को पकड़ने के लिए हम हाथों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Look another picture. What is he doing? Maybe he is running, he is walking, and he use his feet. So we use our feet to run, walk or move. हमें भागने के लिए, चलने के लिए और कोई भी हरकत करने के लिए जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हम करते हैं, हमें अपने पाँव का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। This means that each part of our body has a job to do. Like our mouth eat and speak, our hand used to hold things, our feet used to run, walk or move. Now the next topic, we are all human beings. Underline the word human beings. It means इंसान। हम सब इंसान हैं। Boys, girls, men, women and babies all are human beings. These all are human beings. Boys, underline the word boys. Underline girls. Underline this word men. Underline this word women. Underline this word babies. These all are human beings. ये सब इंसान हैं। Our bodies work in the same way, but we all look different. Underline the word different. It means मुख्तलिफ. Work means काम. You know, हमारा जिस्म सेम तरीके से काम करता है, बट वी ऑल लुक डिफरेंट, लेकिन हम मुख्तलिफ नज़र आते हैं। जैसे लुक एट दिस पिक्चर्स। बॉडी का एक ही काम है, मीन्स के आई का काम है देखना, हैंड का काम है टू होल्ड थिंग्स, चीज़ों को पकड़ना। जिस्म के तमाम जो अज़ा हैं वो एक ही काम करते हैं। दे हैव सेम वर्क, ठीक है, दे आर डूइंग द सेम वर्क बट दे आर लुकिंग डिफरेंट। लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। These all are human beings. Now this is your task to discuss with your parents that how we are different from each other. I hope you understand this lesson. Now read this lesson again. Allah Hafiz.